This is more than a factory. It is a revolution in how we work and who we work for, the planet, the people, and the future. SanDisk is a leading provider of flash memory products and solutions. SanDisk's facility in Penang, Malaysia is accredited by the World Economic Forum as the first advanced 4IR lighthouse in Malaysia and the first sustainability lighthouse in Asia. We infuse AI and use of advanced robotics to enable lights-out operation to enhance efficiency, productivity, and sustainability in fueling our innovation. Dell long-term partnership with SanDisk and its Dell AI factory with NVIDIA solution has enabled a shift towards the next phase of digital transformation. Powered by Dell PowerEdge XE series servers with NVIDIA GPUs, NVIDIA AI Enterprise Software and Dell Professional Service, SanDisk is reinventing AI automation by infusing an on-premise Gen AI development and the deployment in our factory with our award-winning AI capabilities, including a computer vision solution via Vision AIoT and Prime GPT, our ever-evolving AI agent. Our factory team has realized many benefits. As reported by World Economic Forum, the initiative we carry out have resulted in 32% reduction in factory costs, 46% reduction in energy consumption, and 45% reduction in CO2 emission. Our vision of a lights-out factory has defined the framework of IR 4.0 digital transformation. The way of working in factory has changed as automation and AI has helped eliminate repetitive tasks. The next evolution is to bridge the human and AI connection with smart manufacturing, drive further innovation and factory capabilities. We will see people coming back to factories to collaborate with machines instead of just instructing them. And at SanDisk, we are building the future of manufacturing with Dell technologies and NVIDIA.